Thriller, chiller, Halloween sound effects. 65 minutes of terror. And this is my comment on it. We are brought back into a bygone age. Something gigantic comes and eats. Considering what is done to others, it shows the possibility of what could be done to ourselves. It is hard to see the prolonged ending of others. They try to distract it, fight the wild things. We are hunted by people too. We don't even know what some of the intimidating creatures are. Curiosity goes too far. Accidents happen. Is it on purpose? It is natural not to like to be under forced control. The constraints of others may not be as limiting as expected. Fear paralyzes. The quest continues. Animals try to get in or out. Monsters try to gauge our reaction. Hunters survey and hunt. Bears take their time. Someone saves us, but it is not over. Clumsily, with a point of maximizing damage, people may come in. Who knows who might be next? Some need to not take things so personally. We need to be aware of what may collapse on or under us. Some must feed in ways we don't approve. Escape must be tried. Something of unknown qualities seems like it is going to do something to us. It gets someone else. Some creatures will just do their own thing, and it doesn't concern us. Others will make the rounds to carry out their agendas. Some feel like they must throw a fit. Suffering is inevitable. Suicide is not the way out. The abusers will move on. The dogs must witness. The superstitious era is returning. Now they want us to eat the bugs and vermin. Those that thunder about are closer to terrorists, but we survive by ignoring. It makes it worse when others delight in the pain they cause in others. The humans can be very resilient. Weather disturbances and creatures that want us to freeze go together. Some will always wait for others to fall into their trap. Your escape can be easier to track down than you think. A misstep can kill. Night may hide your discomfort. Regret can be painful. The night is supposed to be repose. What is he up to? Animals expect you to share. Some will share you for later, though. The signaling and destruction surrounds. We escape the magic spells. Or do we?